Everyone is talking about digitalization, right? But the analog and the understanding of functional basic principles has probably never been more important than in digitalization. In our practical Waxup courses, we will of course always show how the functional concept according to Slavicek can also be transferred in digitalization. But let's grasp occlusion hands-on. We send each participant a case, this case, and work out live all parameters such as occlusal plane, sequential guidance, or retrusive control step by step together. From the analysis to the articulator handling to the finished diagnostic Waxup. Reserve your place in the live webinar and we will send you the documents and casts, and let's tackle the class 1 procedure together. So see you in the course.